Two. This event scheduled for one fall with a 20-minute time limit. Introducing first from the south side of Chicago at a combined weight of 457 pounds, Chi-Town T and Willie the Bomb, the Chi-Town Syndicate. From Castle Rock, at a combined weight of 439 pounds, they will be accompanied by their valet, Jerusalem. They will be seconded by Eric Von Wright and the Hellhounds. They are Bellic and Mystic, the Warlocks.
Blind boys don't lie. Immortal fear, that voice so clear. Through broken walls, that scream I hear. Cry, little sister.
I need a shower. This is WCPW, Windy City Pro Wrestling. Scott Thomas along with Rashad at ringside. Rashad, you can come up from under the table now. The scary guys are over on the other side.
I had the scary opportunity to meet Valak before the match, and I'll tell you, one of the darkest experiences I've ever been a part of. Asked him what he thought about this match, what did he think about Chi-Town Syndicate. Just gave me this look that let's just say it got me walking.
I've never heard him talk. It's that look. You're right, Rashad. It's that look that is unbelievable.
And they got Drusilla, just very mysterious.
Get Drusilla and Eric Von Stein, the Hellhounds. And after the big show, we're going to get to wrestling. Mystic, recruited by the Warlocks for his martial arts ability, in there against Chi-Town T, one half of the Chicago Chi-Town Syndicate, and one of the quickest men you'll ever see in a wrestling ring. And right there, he shows you why.
Take a look there, Drusilla having some problems. It looks like she might have fainted. However, she's back up on her feet. Or it looks like she might be aiding one of the Warlocks.
Well, you take a look at her and you can't tell that she's got a drop of blood in her body. I wouldn't be surprised if she faints all the time. Chi-Town T takes one to the eyes from Mystic. Willie the Bomb Richardson, one of the biggest, strongest men here in WCPW. Always great to see him in the ring. He's a one-man gang in itself, and there's that martial arts expertise that Mystic brings to the ring.
But you do have to give it up to Chi-Town T. Just by looking at him, you know he's not the biggest guy in the world, but he's quick, he's athletic, and he's got a heart of a lion.
Oh, and he loves to wrestle, but I tell you what, he's got a managerial background. He's a business major. He's a smart guy, and he is, in fact, recruiting right now to try to bring more wrestlers into the syndicate so that, as he said, oh, he just gave Mystic the booty call, but he'd like to be managing a couple of big guys, like matching up somebody as a partner for Willie the Bomb Richardson.
Look at them
Good
work
double
together.
team action there.
Oh, yeah, nice double clothesline. Now Willie the Bomb. Oh, you know why they call him the Bomb. He's huge. Now he's in the ring. He wants to take control.
And he can. As my dad used to say, this guy's big enough to go to work, and he is. He calls himself the ghetto superstar. He is Willie the Bomb Richardson.
No, I'm not going to his ghetto. He's a tough son of a gun.
I imagine he runs the place.
Look at that.
Oh, look at this big press slam, and down goes Mystic.
The Bomb grabbed him, put him in the air, balanced him for the crowd. Now for the count.
Valak comes in with a kick to the head.
Look at that. Valak shoving him. Chi-Town T wants a piece of him.
Wayne Jaws, the referee, losing control of this match, as so often happens in a tag team match. 4 guys for 1 guy to take care of is a tough deal.
Nice.
Good teamwork there by the Warlock.
Double flying clothesline right into the face of Willie the Bomb.
As the Warlocks and their entourage walked by our vantage point here at ringside, announcing, I lost count at 17 various piercings that I saw among the group.
Oh, powerful clothesline.
And Valak again almost expressionless, as you mentioned before. Even while he's in the ring.
But you can tell, we don't know. I don't know. There's something on their mind. The Warlocks, just very bitter. Look at that.
There's Eric Von Stein getting into it now. Very unusual and sick-colored Eric Von Stein's hair. I don't want to say that it's dripping in blood because I don't know, but it sure looks like it.
Valak now tagging his partner Mystic. So far, you got to give it up to the Warlocks. They're just dominating in the ring. Heck, we're talking about how tough Willie the Bomb is. Look at this. Side Russian leg sweep. Double side Russian leg sweep.
Willie the Bomb Richardson taking more punishment than I'm used to seeing. And the, a big spinning leg kick by Mystic.
Mystic with a big kick.
Willie the Bomb back to his feet. Valak in good quick tags with Valak and Mystic right now. Like him or not, you got to admire the tag team work. And look at the strength.
Unbelievable.
Look at the strength of Valak. Picking up over 300 pounds in a standing body slam.
Chi-Town T just sitting there in the corner. The Bomb needs to get a tag. What an elbow. Tough elbow right into the back of Willie the Bomb. Chi-Town T trying to get the crowd into it.
Valak working on Willie the Bomb's back, and again that icy stare right into the face of referee Wayne Jaws. The Bomb trying to get to his feet. Valak trying to keep him down. If you can keep the big man down, that's the place you want him.
Just by looking at Chi-Town Syndicate, they love their fans, and right now, they want their support.
And right now, this capacity crowd has been silenced by these evil, creepy Warlocks, but the work is being done in the ring. Like them or not, they are really taking it to the Chi-Town.
5 minutes, 5.
And
Nice.
a snap nair. Again,
Nice
the
arm lock
strength
there.
and the leverage by Valak is impressive.
Just a minute ago, he picked him up and slammed him. Then he put him in a nice lock there onto the mat, and Valak continues to dominate the match.
Willie the Bomb coming back with a big club of his own, as if by instinct. He's still on Rubber Lake Street here, and oh,
Can you feel the power? You see the way he cocks back, hits him. But check out Valak, manages to retaliate. What a chop.
Valak definitely has the quicks on him, and I think Willie the Bomb was just firing out of instinct, but there he turns it around again. There he's way up high. Oh my. From 6 or 8 feet in the air, Valak down right on his tailbone, and Chi-Town T calling for the crowd to get into it, and they do. And this little bundle of dynamite going at it right above us.
Chi-Town T just going on a barrage of fists to the face of Valak. Now he's going to take him off the rope.
Up and over.
Oh!
Valak catches him with a pinning slam right there, count of 2. And only a count of 2.
You got to like this Valak character. Out of nowhere, he's dark, he's mysterious, but he doesn't hide his ringside abilities, not one bit. In the ring, he's tough.
But he missed there, knee first, right down, and there, Willie the Bomb. Oh, my! Willie the Bomb delivers the bomb right there, count of 2, and again, Mystic comes in, this time with a boot to the head to save him. Drusilla at ringside, along with Eric Von Stein and the Hellhounds. Willie the Bomb picking up Valak now. What's he gonna do? Big slam.
Uh-oh,
The bomb
Bomb's going to
going
go up. He's going up.
Bombs away for Willie the Bomb right now.
Poor Valak if he
hits
lands
it,
this
it's
one.
Nobody
Misses.
home. Willie the Bomb taking a lot of time, and Valak.
Valak was tired, out of it, but I tell you what, if you see a leg that big coming at you, you're going to move.
Valak looked up, saw an eclipse, and it was Willie the Bomb. He got out of there.
Valak banged up, but he's going to get his partner.
Now, Mystic has been out for quite a while. He ought to be very fresh. And they're double teaming Willie the Bomb, who has taken a brunt of the punishment in this match.
Got to give it up to Valak. Yeah, he got a couple bumps and bruises, but nonetheless, put the big hurt on Willie the Bomb. And now Mystic taking some shots right into the midsection of Willie the Bomb.
The Warlocks taking their opportunity here. What's that? Drusilla has fainted again at ringside. That's the 3rd time she has fainted during the course of this match. Again, you take a look at her pale and almost lifeless look. Valak is picking up Drusilla at ringside.
Hey.
Mystic asking what's going on. Willie the Bomb getting to his feet as Valak is taking Drusilla away.
This is terrible. He's got something more important to worry about, and that is the match. Instead, he's taking Drusilla.
All
His
of the
army are going,
Warlocks,
and
the
they're leaving him
Hellhounds,
alone.
Eric
Unbelievable.
von Stein have left Mystic alone to tend to Drusilla, apparently back in the locker room, leaving it to Chi-Town Syndicate to double team Mystic, and a big splash.
Another
Oh my.
splash. Extra large and small.
Devastating double team moves in the corner. Wayne Jaws, the referee, is looking to see where the partner went. Chi-Town T goes for the cover. That's going to be it. What a turnaround in this match.
Ladies and gentlemen,
just amazing
your
what
winner,
people do for women these days.
Chi-Town T,
Sacrifice his own partner.
Willie the Bomb, the Chi-Town
Mystic has got to be
Syndicate.
wondering what hit him here on WCPW, Windy City Pro Wrestling.